Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is currently almost 1 in the morning and we are about to leave for Florida in about 6 hours. So I'm trying to get everything done and basically just trying to get some sleep before we go. But I started this vlog a couple of days ago and I tried to explain why we're going to Florida and I feel like I didn't really get my point across. So I'm going to tell you now. Basically, we had planned this trip originally a long time ago. It's with Blake's family and we were planning to go. Everything was good. We planned this back in like June when, we thought that cases were going to be declining and we thought that it would be a good time to spend time together, especially because Blake's family has 3 birthdays in the month of August. Blake's cousin, Blake, and then Blake's brother. So we thought it'd be a good time to get together. We thought things would be better. And obviously that didn't happen. Cases in Florida are crazy high right now. Cases in Georgia are crazy high right now. And basically we tried to cancel the reservation. I even said in my burning my 2020 plans video that I wasn't going to be going. But the hotel unfortunately would not let us cancel the trip. So we decided, we talked a lot, and we decided to go. We contacted the hotel and basically asked about their safety procedures. We found out that they are wiping down everything at the pool, that the pool is socially distanced. My mother-in-law paid for a cabana so that we are going to be separate from other people at the pool. And we're obviously going to be wearing our masks, taking every possible precaution. I'm not even going out to eat or anything like that. The only place that I really want to go is Gideon's, which sells the most delicious cookies ever in Orlando and in the world, I would say. And if you've probably heard about them because they're opening up a location in Disney Springs and they're literally the best cookies ever. And so yeah, I really want to get those. And there's a small possibility I might brave Disney Springs just because I know that their safety protocols are very high. They're doing temperature checks, masks, everything else. So we shall see, but we're going to be very safe. And I just want to put that as a little disclaimer before this vlog. This vlog is basically just like a little pack with me. So I'm going to have this uploaded the day we come back from Florida. And then next week you guys will see our Florida vlog. So yeah, I'm just trying to get a lot of stuff done. I'm going to go ahead and insert all of the clips from a couple days ago right now when we were planning and packing and cleaning. And then I will get right back to you guys. Basically, I am currently cleaning. I was supposed to be off tonight and it's the first week without the CARES Act, so no more unemployment bonuses. So now I have to work a lot more hours, which is also very scary because there's the potential that I could get sick. And honestly, I'm not even scared of getting sick. The thing I'm most scared of is missing a month of work, which is terrifying. That is what I'm scared of, especially the fact that we need to save money because we're moving, the fact that we have a new car payment. Nala, can you stop licking the bed, please? There's just so many uncertainties right now. Who knows if things are going to close down again, who knows what's going to happen in the future. So I'm just trying to prepare as best as I can. And I picked up a shift for tonight even though I wasn't supposed to work. I've been having myself on auto pickup for anybody who releases their shifts. So I've been trying to get as many shifts as possible. So I had planned to do a lot of stuff tonight, like edit my video and clean and pack and everything else. And now I have to leave in an hour. So I luckily already did the laundry. There's Blake's there. I already put mine away. And I packed my bathing suit, so I have one thing packed. So now I need to clean and finish packing, and then I have to work tonight, work tomorrow night, and then I work a double on Saturday, and then we're literally leaving on Sunday. So I have a lot of stuff to do. Blake also found a border for Nala. Let me show you how cute Nala is this morning. Say good morning. Say hi to the vlog. So this is Nala. She is going to be staying at the border, and I'm really actually excited for her to go because these past few months she's literally just been stuck inside and hasn't really had a lot of playtime besides when we went to Florida in June. So I'm really excited that she's going to get to play with dogs for like 4 days, and I think she's really going to have fun. It's a new border because the border we usually leave her at doesn't take people on Sundays. So she's going to be at a new place, and we're hoping it goes really well. And she's gonna have a good time, huh, Nala Bear? Kitty pie. You're so cute. You're so cute. Have anything you want to say to the viewers? Okay. Let me know in the comments down below what ways you guys are combating the coronavirus as far as like immunity goes. Are you doing like immunity shots? Are you taking vitamins? Are you eating healthy and working out? What's your secret? Because I just ran out of my vitamins. I have like 2 more magnesiums, and then I have like a couple packs left of when I used to do Care of, which I still love that company, but I just haven't ordered from them in a while because it's a long story. But I still love that company. I have a few packs left, so I'm gonna eat those, and then I need to get some new vitamins. I'm trying to take as many vitamins as I possibly can to boost my immune system and to keep me from getting sick, especially since I'm now working 40 hours a week again, and the coronavirus is still raging on. So let me know down below. Does anyone else's dog shed like crazy? Because I just swept the floor, and we could basically make a chihuahua with her fur. This is literally after 1 week. We're about to come do this bedroom, and I feel like it's gonna be the same. That's all like fluff from her toys all over the floor. So yeah, lots of shedding, huh? So yeah, the carpet was just a little bit full of hair, and that's after a week too. Dogs, you shed, am I right? So yeah, so basically I am still packing. My bag is done pretty much. I still need to pack my hygiene stuff. I just packed Nala's stuff, and Blake's about to do the dishes. Taking a trip, there's so much that goes into it. Like, we have to take the trash tomorrow because if we leave the trash, it's gonna be stinky. I need to check the mail to make sure that my my tag for my car isn't in there yet. And yeah, there's basically just a lot to it. So I'll show you guys kind of what I'm doing now. So right now I'm about to lay out my clothes for my drive tomorrow. So I have those ready to go, and I can just get up and go because we're literally leaving here at 7 a.m. to take Nala to the border, and then we're going to be heading on the road. We're going to pick up Blake's sister and her boyfriend before we go, and we're taking the new car, and I'm so excited. So yeah, I need to lay out my outfit. I need to pack my hygiene stuff. I just packed my MacBook and my books because I'm going to be doing my editing on there and my podcast and everything else, and I'll show you guys. It's really dark in here. This light, for some reason, it's like like flickers. We need to get it replaced, but when we tried to replace the one in the living room, the bulb broke, so we're going to probably need maintenance to come check on that. Oh, and my fan is disgustingly dirty. Don't even mind that. I need to clean that right now. So here's my bag. So sorry boys, my bra's in here. So I have my bathing suit. I only have one that like fits me well right now. Oh, that's something else that I want to talk about in this video. But yeah, I have my bathing suit, pajamas, all my clothes. These flip-flops always give me blisters, but I'm going to try them again now that I don't have warts and see if that they don't hurt me as bad. I've got my Monsters University hat. See, the light just went out. And my Mrs. Potts hat, because if you didn't know, my name is Mrs. Potts. And then over here I have, oh, you cannot see this hardly at all, but I have my books, my MacBook, my chargers, and then I have this new purse, which I got when I went thrifting a couple of days ago. It's really cute. So yeah, I basically just need to pack my hygiene stuff right now, and yeah, should be it. I also just got off of a, how long was I there? I got there at 11 and I worked till 11. So 12-hour shift at work. And now that unemployment is out, I'm working a lot more, which sucks because there's always the risk that we could get sick. And honestly, I'm not even really scared of getting sick. I'm more scared of losing a whole month of work, because to go back to work after you have coronavirus, you have to be 2 weeks symptom-free, and then you have to test negative twice. And so you have to, it'll be 2 weeks symptom-free, and then 1 week of testing and another week of testing, which is a whole month off of work. So I'm really hoping we don't get it. I'm taking my vitamins. So I finished my zinc, so I'm finishing my magnesium. It has 1 left. And then I have a couple packs of Care of vitamins left, which I love Care of, but Basically the reason why I stopped using them is it's a long story, but basically my credit card had fraudulent activity on it, so they sent me a new one and I never updated my information. So I basically just accidentally canceled it. That's the best way I can describe it. But I would love to do the subscription again because I really love Care of vitamins. So I'm trying to decide if I want to do Care of or if I want to do Ritual. Here's a pack from my old Care ofs. What I want to do, but I think for now I'll probably just take zinc because zinc is like really good for your immunity, and that's obviously like the biggest concern right now is my immunity. So yeah, I'll probably take zinc and vitamin C, and then we'll see where we go from there. Okay, so I just cleared out my drawer. Don't mind this. This is like the wood got messed up. I just cleared out my drawer and I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of Care of. So this is perfect. I'm gonna take these with me to the trip. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday night. So those will all come, and then I'll have these when I come back, and I'll probably buy some new zinc supplements. And then I'm gonna take my last magnesium tonight. Don't know if this is at all interesting to you guys, but I know some people love like travel hacks and stuff, and taking vitamins is definitely one of them. And if you want to see any more travel hacks, I also have more travel vlogs, which you can find under vlogs or under my travel playlist if you'd like to watch some more. I'll probably have them linked somewhere up above where you can find them. And yeah, I'm about to go make Nala breakfast, so I'm gonna take you to the kitchen. So I'm like genuinely always concerned that Nala is not gonna eat while she's at the border because she has really bad separation anxiety. So to calm my nerves a little bit, I'm giving her a really good breakfast. It was Blake's idea of some boiled eggs. You can't see them. So I just boiled them, and they've been sitting in some ice water. So I'm about to crush those up and put them in a little Tupperware. So in the morning I can just throw them in her bowl, and I know she's gonna eat them because with her dry food, she takes forever to eat it. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm pretty much done. I just have to pack my hygiene stuff, and I'm gonna play a little Animal Crossing because I need to check on my villagers. And then I'm gonna go try to get like a little bit of sleep. It is currently 12:55. Can you see that? 12:55. I'm going to be up at 6:30. So I'm gonna be napping in the car, that's for sure. Here's the star herself, Miss Nala Paula Consuela Maria San Juana Potts. How are you today? She is very famous on TikTok now. I have people asking for more videos of her. How does that feel? Are you a celebrity? Why is she like falling off the couch though? You're a celebrity now. I know, it's gonna be hard when you're at the border. I hope people don't ask for too many autographs. I'm gonna miss my baby so much. She's my sweet angel princess. Oh, I love you so much. Now the eggs all mashed up, going in the fridge for breakfast. She's already ready. You have to wait for breakfast. I'm sorry, I don't make the rules. Also, another travel hack. Oh, I just got egg on my face. If you're going on a trip and you have some fruit that's gonna go bad while you're gone, freeze it and you can use it for smoothies. I just did that we had like 5 bananas that were about to expire. So I put those away, and they're gonna make some delicious smoothies when we get back. Oh, I'll also show you these bags. These are all of our healthy snacks. Oh, that's something else I need to talk to you guys about, is that we are eating healthier. So I have some pistachios and some granola bars. I have some rice, what are these called? Cheddar rice cake chips? Rice crisps. And then I have apples for our trip that were also gonna go bad, and I have my grapefruit in there. And then at the bottom, we just have some board games. Catan is the best one ever. So I'm probably gonna make a more extended, let me get in the light so you can see my face, a more extended version of why we're eating healthier. But essentially, I want to lose weight, and not just my quarantine weight. Also, like, I just wanna get back to my college weight, which is I would need to lose I've already lost about 10 pounds, so I'm trying to lose another 40, which I don't know if it's possible, to be honest, because I'm already relatively thin, but I do have some excess fat that I just want to get rid of. I am all about body positivity for real, and I don't want to insinuate that I'm going to be like worth more or more valued if I lose weight. But the reason why I really want to lose weight, there goes the light again, is because my clothes just aren't fitting right anymore, and my thighs are just really thick and they like chafe, and when I wear shorts I'm always pulling them down, and it just really frustrates me. And I just want to be healthier, and like when I see pictures of myself I want to feel good about myself. I don't want to be like, oh, I look so fat in that picture, because I say that almost all the time. And also I started to realize that because of my OCD, if you didn't know, I have medically diagnosed OCD. I started to realize that I've been letting it control my body and my eating habits for way too long, because essentially when I went to the gynecologist for my pap smear a couple months ago, I told him that in college I was diagnosed with PMDD, which is basically like very, very severe PMS. And I really thought I had it because I was gaining like 15 pounds every period, and then I would lose it like as soon as my period was over. And I was eating like crazy. I couldn't stop eating, and bad cramps, bad headaches. He was like, honestly, the only thing that seems odd is that you couldn't stop eating, because everything else is a normal symptom of a period. And he said that that's probably attributed to my OCD, because basically like I'm having intrusive thoughts about, I need to eat, I want chocolate, I want potato chips, I want french fries, and I'm letting those run my body and control my health. And I'm trying to learn how to train myself to not do that, because whenever I have my period I really do give in, and I just kind of eat whatever I want. And there's nothing wrong with having a treat. I love treats so much, but when it's all I'm eating, all I'm doing is listening to my intrusive thoughts and just giving into them, it's not healthy for me, and I need to learn what a normal amount of food is. And so that's basically what I'm doing right now, is I'm just kind of retraining my body to know that how much food I'm eating is normal, and I don't need to have snacks every hour. I don't need to be constantly eating. I don't need to have a treat every day. So basically that's the whole gist of what I'm trying to say. And it is scary for me going on this journey, because every time that I have tried to lose weight in the past, it's also been a struggle having OCD, because my mind just like focuses on losing weight. So there's been times where I've gotten really sick because I don't eat any fat at all, like not healthy fats. And then it becomes a problem, because then my body is just craving fats so bad that I just eat really bad fats, and that's not good either. So basically I'm just trying to learn how to be healthy. I'm trying not to let my intrusive thoughts get in the way. So that's the whole idea of this whole tangent, is that. So yeah, I'm just trying to get on a better track. I just want to feel good in my body again. I also have like a really bad insecurity about my double chin. Trying to get rid of it, because whenever I edit my videos it just drives me absolutely crazy that I have a double chin. And I think it's genetic, honestly, because even when I was at my skinniest weight I had a double chin. Like when I turn to the side, I hate my profile so much. I feel like that's one of the reasons why I'm just going on a total tangent here, but I feel like that's one of the reasons why I never got to be friends with the Disney princess either, because I always made it to the final rounds, which was like when they take your picture in the costume, and I never got it after the final round. And I feel like it's because of my profile, because if I'm taking a picture with a child in my costume and you see this from the side, that's not the Disney look, which is sad, because a lot of women have double chins. It's a normal thing, but it's like my biggest insecurity, my double chin and my arm fat and my thighs. Anyway, I'm just telling you all the worst qualities about myself. So yeah, with that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. So I hope that you guys enjoyed, and wish me luck tomorrow on this long drive, and I will see you guys in Florida on the next vlog, and I will see you in my new video on Tuesday. Bye guys.